Welcome everyone back again into another video on this channel. This time we talk about how you can disable the power button in your iPad or even on the iPhone. So let's get into it. Now, as you know, Apple, the situation is going to be a little bit limited, but let's get into it regardless. For example, if you open up the settings on your iPad, then head over to the accessibility menu. In the touch section, you have one toggle called prevent lock on end call. And this will basically stop the power button from ending calls. So in this very specific context, you are disabling the functionality of a power button. So perhaps you are looking for exactly this. If yes, then perfect. But besides that, there is just no option to just disable the power button from, turning off your phone. It's just always going to be there. You still have some options when it comes to controlling your device, like in terms of the screen time section on your iPad. In there, you have some control over what's going on and about some sort of settings. You can manage the app installations and stuff like this. Perhaps you want to use or limit the use of the power button for confirming some sort of actions. So most definitely look through the screen time, like the content and privacy restrictions and many different things in here, right? So you can see there are so many other options. So just look through it if you don't find something specific. But besides that, there is just no ability to just lock, or like just make the power button dysfunctional. So hope you found this video at least a little bit helpful. Hope you enjoyed this. Hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe below, and I would really appreciate if you could stick around for the next video in the future.